Since the invention of the wheel, mankind has never stopped improving the world and developing new materials and products. Every day, we come across so many structures, products, and technologies. Someone needs to make sure they're high quality and safe to use. That's where the Standards Institution of Israel comes in. The institution tests thousands of products and holds the flag of quality in the Israeli market. Almost every product around us has a direct influence on our lives, so they all need to meet the standards. How high should the handrail be? What's the right distance between the bars of a crib? And how much radiation can my microwave emit and still be safe to use? The mandatory standards affect every aspect of our lives and help us to create consistency while establishing safety and quality thresholds. That's why every standard is determined by a committee made up of professionals from various disciplines. Representatives from all market sectors participate in standards committees: the government, manufacturers and contractors, importers, consumers, academics, and more. Together, they balance different needs and they reach consensus about what the standard should contain. The Standards Institution represents Israel on international standard committees, hosts international committees and conventions on regulatory issues, and even leads and promotes many standardization processes, especially in innovative fields like energy and water. These standards influence countries worldwide. True Israeli pride. The tests are carried out by engineers and technicians in the institution's laboratories: chemical and textile labs, electronics and communication labs, mechanical, hydraulic, construction, and electrical labs. Here, we turn, twist, drop, break, and burn the products. In other words, we put them through extreme conditions to make sure they don't harm their users and that they meet all the relevant standards. See the marking on this plug? You can rest assured because it's a standards mark. This says that the factory is under the Standards Institution's supervision and the product is periodically tested in the institution's labs. The Standards Institution also protects our environment. In recent years, the institution, in cooperation with the Ministry of Environmental Protection, has awarded a green seal to products and structures that minimize their ecological impact. Just breathe that air. The Standards Institution of Israel is also the largest certification body in Israel for various management systems in all market sectors. It supplies certification for quality management, safety management, environmental protection management, social responsibility, and many more. But not every organization wins the quality stamp. Certification is only granted after the Standards Institution has checked and verified that the organization meets all the standards requirements, has implemented international standards, and provided its employees with the necessary training. It's not easy to excel. The Standards Institution of Israel is everywhere, allowing consumers, manufacturers, and importers to enjoy its services from branches all over Israel through its website, which holds all the information and standards in one place, and via an advanced call center, all in order to provide you with the best service. Want to know more? Visit our website, like our Facebook page, or check us out on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to keep up those high standards.